Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the pan is clean and dry, then set a medium burner flame because all Clad heats quickly and evenly. Once the burner warms, pour a thin oil layer and watch for a shimmer. This indicates proper surface temperature for searing or sautéing. Make sure to lower heat for eggs or milk-based sauces to prevent sticking. Increased conduction means you rarely need high heat. These first steps save time and protect the finish while delivering predictable browning. Once the pan is at temperature, place food down and resist moving it until a natural release occurs. That crust formation is why deglazing works. For thicker cuts, sear then finish in oven. All Clad tolerates oven heat well. Use a splash of wine or stock to deglaze and scrape fond because those brown bits are concentrated flavor. Make sure to stir sauces gently and adjust heat progressively. Stainless steel demands attention to temperature changes. You finish by resting proteins to redistribute juices, then let the pan cool a bit before cleaning to prevent warping. Wash by hand with warm water and mild detergent. All Clad polishes best with non-abrasive tools. If food sticks, simmer a mixture of water and baking soda to loosen residues or deglaze again. Avoid harsh scrubs that dull the finish. If persistent discoloration appears, a stainless cleaner or a vinegar soak restores shine. Try that before abrasive methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.